Hi, my name is Arman, and this is my Maker portfolio. Since I was 5 years old, I've been learning to code using apps like Tinker, Scratch, and CodeMonkey. My first games were built using Scratch. For example, my game Beach Crabs, where you fight the crabs as they march towards the shore. When I turned 7, I learned HTML and CSS, and then I built my first website on a browser. At the age of 9, I learned JavaScript, and it changed everything. Then, using plain JavaScript, I built a game on my website. It was called the Gamey Game, and in it, you fight other monsters using powerful spells that are powered by math. For my plain JavaScript game, I wanted to add animations. So I used a pixel editor called Piskel to create cool animations and characters. Then I posted my game on Reddit. On Reddit, there was lots of feedback. So then I started working on the Gamey Game version 2. I decided I would add sound effects to the version 2, but I couldn't take sound straight from the internet because that would be copyrighted. So I decided to make sound with my own mouth, kind of like a cappella. I used CSS animation to create an animated health bar so that players could tell how close they were to losing or winning. Then I added animated hit splats that were positioned on top of the player and enemy. Then I switched to a game engine called Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. In Microsoft MakeCode Arcade, I used the y-axis acceleration changes to make the character speed slow down as he goes up and speed up as he goes down. Then, I made a second game in MakeCode Arcade called Black Hole Adventures. Then I moved on to another game engine called Unity. Thank you for listening. Until next year!